Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to explore 7 amazing garage flooring ideas that can suit any situation. Whether you use your garage for parking, as a workshop, or even a home gym, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Idea 1. Epoxy coating. Our first idea is epoxy coating. This is one of the most popular options for garage floors due to its durability and high gloss finish. Epoxy coatings are resistant to oil stains, water, and heavy traffic. Idea 2. Interlocking tiles. Next up, interlocking tiles are a fantastic choice for a quick and easy garage floor makeover. These tiles are available in various materials like rubber, vinyl, and polypropylene. They are simple to install. Just snap them together and they provide a cushioned, non-slip surface that's perfect for workshops and home gyms. Idea 3. Concrete stain. Concrete staining is another excellent option, especially if you love a more natural look. Staining your concrete floor can enhance its appearance with rich, deep colors while still showing off the texture of the concrete. It's a cost-effective way to add some style to your garage. Idea 4. Rubber mats. For those looking for a temporary or portable solution, rubber mats are ideal. Rubber mats are great for protecting your garage floor from heavy equipment and vehicle traffic. They're also perfect for creating a cushioned surface in home gyms. Idea 5. Vinyl flooring. Vinyl flooring is another versatile option for your garage. Vinyl is resistant to moisture, stains, and scratches, making it a practical and stylish choice for garages that see a lot of action. Idea 6. Carpet tiles. Believe it or not, carpet tiles can be a great option for certain garage setups, especially if you use your garage as a living space or workshop. They're easy to install and replace if damaged. Choose indoor-outdoor carpet tiles for better durability and easy maintenance. Idea 7. Polyaspartic coating. Last but not least, polyaspartic coatings offer a superior alternative to epoxy. They cure faster, are more UV resistant, and are just as durable. Polyaspartic coatings can be applied in a wide range of temperatures, making them a versatile choice for any garage.
Or something,
and there you have
really
it.
Tough to find
7 amazing garage flooring ideas that can fit any situation.
Price to pay, though, and I've
Whether
been so
you need durability, style, or a quick fix,
I did this project
there's an
almost
option
a year
for you.
ago, and the epoxy
If
held
you
up
found this
great.
video helpful,
Plus,
please give it a
being
thumbs
able to
up,
walk barefoot into
share
my
it with your
garage
friends,
and not get my
and
feet
leave
all
a
dirty
comment
has
below
been
with your
awesome.
favorite garage flooring idea.
I hope you've enjoyed the video.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and DIY projects.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.